What's up guys? So ito, Good to Know Friday na naman tayo. This time, it's about one of the trending shoes, sneakers, models right now, which is the Gats. So Maisun Margiela Gats is very famous. We have several collections here. Pero something very interesting is actually Adidas is dropping a new set of BW Army models. Looks way cleaner and way better than some of the Margiela models that I've seen in the past. So this is the collaboration between Adidas and the Whittaker Group. So you can Google, ito yung mga models. So ayan, lagi mo Ams. Ang gaganda ng mga models that's gonna be upcoming, pero something that's very interesting about that is the Whittaker Group is actually owned by a person named James Whitner. So ano interesting doon? He's a very smart man. The reason why is because si James Whitner is also the owner of Amamanier. So if you're familiar with the brand, Amamanier has a collaboration or has done several collaboration with the Jordan brand. So sila yung gumawa at nag-design ng some of the Jordan 4, Jordan 3, Amamanier collaborations, which are these models. Ayan, no, comes up. So yun, yan yung mga sample ng mga Jordan na Amamanier models. So bakit siya very smart? Kasi he's able to partner with brands like Jordan, at the same time partner with brands like Adidas, but using a different name for the brands that he carry. But basically, it's the same designer, it's the same company that collabs with these two brands. Galing, no? So yun, watch out for the new Adidas BW Army collection, the Whittaker Group. Very interesting collection. Feeling ko, may kilala ako na, na gusto mag-collect ng mga ganyan.